Yesterday I enter one shop, make I buy food with me and my family go chop. I wanted to buy okra. Normally, you know now, we buy like 2 kilo. You get what I mean? Now one kind of man enter. He say he won't buy okra. I buy 2 kilos. I expect make this man buy at least 1 kilo. You know how many? 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Now this I want eat okra. I can't approach am and say, okay, how you want to take chop this okra? So not the okra with this. Go drop am inside water and put small chicken. They don't chop okra with that. And the people where they taste Nigeria come out for Ghana. The okra where they produce, who go chop am? I beg, make I go find money. I don't feel like this money. Ghana, 2 pieces of okra.